Okay, now yes, I'm going to show you about to how unlock Telegram. Yes, 19 plus, 18 plus. Okay, run now. One. Is it? Yes, I have to unlock. Yes, we are going to unlock right this for 18 plus content. Okay, so now we need to download Telegram. Yes, from App Store. Okay, Telegram from App Store, and after that we go to browser. Okay, we go to browser, and that type Telegram bot, Telegram bot like this. Okay, type on it. Okay, and then tap the Telegram bot. Wow. Open. Yes, open with Telegram. And then we type the start. Touch start. Okay. And then go to Telegram login. Open. Yes. Okay. Waiting. Internet is slow. Wow, yeah, successfully. Okay. It run very slow internet. Okay, so you turn on 18 years old and so content that is. Okay, and then sell. Yes, we click the sell. Wow, what's wrong? Yes, sell, and then done. Okay, and then tick here, and tick here. Okay, yes, I don't know. Okay, now it's out, and then we go to Telegram. Okay, tick here. No, we need to take out. Okay, again. Oh no, sorry, we use in Telegram. Okay, yes. Wow, okay, it works now. Yes. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget sub my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.